Today's video is going to be about stance, balance, and stability. I already made a couple of videos about the stance, but I just want to give you more guidance what exactly you need to feel to be more stable. So first thing, when they say you play from the blue ball spot, when you approach the shot, you just have to make sure that you can lift your shoulders and your cue easily up. So you go to the shot and you can lift your hand easily with the shoulder. Why? Because you want to feel that you have balance, okay, that you're not falling forwards. Because if you're coming to the shot too compact, let's say like this, it puts too much tension to your upper shoulder or upper back, and that it makes your shots long-term more difficult. So you want to feel as comfortable as possible. So the good test is when you're coming without the table, when you're coming to the stance, you should be able to hold your stance easily more than 1 minute, ideally 2 minutes. So in this kind of position, you should be able to stay for 1 to 2 minutes. And that would be a good mark for your quality stance. And if you stand correctly, you will feel that you're not going to have as much back pain, as much shoulder tension, that you should give you enough stability to do this. So you're kind of coming like to the regular shot and you do this. So I think 40 seconds came and I still feel comfortable. So when the 1 minute mark stays, yeah. So basically this is the idea of stance. You just should be able to stand like for 1 to 2 minutes easily. The second part is you should make sure that your left arm is totally glued to the cushion. So your left arm doesn't have any gap here, because it's gonna help you be lower with the cue. Also, it's gonna give you stability if you have a slight bend of your left arm to feel more stable in the shot. So this left part of the body, left, is very, very important. You want to make sure if there is no obstacles, there are no balls, it's easier to do that. My advice for you is to use those two principles. When you come to the shot, make sure that you can easily lift your cue and arm easily, your left arm easily if you're left-handed for the right. And also you have stable address position, the left arm position. You have to make sure that this left part position is totally glued to the table, like no gap here. And then it's going to give you more stability from the left side of the body. And this is what I do in my mentorship programs. When I work on the specific problems people have, I usually fix stance, cue motion, and that kind of stuff. So if you're interested, join the program. All the information below description. So yeah, so those two are most important things in balance and stability. So balance when you can easily lift your body up. And second thing, make sure that your left arm or right arm for the left hand is totally glued to the table, so you could have total stability. There is no shaking on the movement, because if there is gap, you can easily move like this. If it's totally glued, there is less chance to move during the shot. So it's gonna help you indirectly to stay still, because staying still is, in my opinion, stability, balance, and in cue action, smooth movement. So that's the thing, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more if you are new.